Hi, my name is Ronaldo Ilagan. I'm a product manager at Merida. In this video, I will show you how to mount a Reverb Stealth proper seat post into a Merida frame.
These are the parts and tools we will need for this session. For opening the down tube exit, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen key. Be sure to have ready 1.3 meters of mechanical brake housing and a shifting cable.
To route the cables through the frame, it often makes it easier to put a shifting cable into the housing.
Starting at the front opening, push the cable all the way to the down tube exit. Now do the same with the seat tube. When you're finished, pull the cable out again. For your safety, always use plastic gloves. Remove the remote lever by turning it counterclockwise. And put it on its side onto your workbench. Next, get the included Reverb barb connector and screw it all the way into the remote cable. A 1.5 Allen key is most helpful for this. To screw the other side of the connector into the open housing, turn the whole seat post clockwise and stop after a few millimeters. When both cables are connected, use the Allen key again to clockwise turn the connector until 1 millimeter of thread is left on each side. After pulling the housing through the seat tube, install the seat post in a close to final position. At this point, it's important to rather push the cable in from the bottom bracket side than pulling it out. The connector could release the housing. Remove the mechanical housing. Now, determine the required length of the housing. For finally cutting the hydraulic housing, don't use a cable cutter, but a special tool. Clockwise, just screw the remote lever into the housing. Wipe off any excess hydraulic fluid. The remote lever can now be installed on the handlebar. In the case you've lost hydraulic fluid during the installation, you will have to refill. For that, open the appropriate screw on top of the lever. Now fill the included syringe with Reverb hydraulic fluid. A little will do. Screw the adapter of the syringe into the opening. Push as much of the fluid in as possible. Remove the adapter and close the lever's opening again. Now install the saddle. Finally, close the down tube exit. Check if the seat post is working correctly.